Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about two types of popular toys for children in China. The first one is called Yangwawa, which means doll in Chinese. There are various types of dolls available, and Chinese girls absolutely love them. Let's learn a new sentence about Yangwawa. 爸爸给我买了一个洋娃娃. It means my father bought a doll for me. The other type of toy Chinese kids loves is jimu, which means building blocks. They come in different shapes, sizes, and colors, and are great for developing children's creativity. Jimu is the Chinese boys' favorite. A good example of using jimu is 快看,他们在搭积木, which means look. They are piling up building blocks. That's all for today. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.